Hello everybody, it's me, Beau. I am a licensed FFL, but in this particular case, I am coming to you with this airsoft gun. It most certainly is not a real gun, so all the little hipsters over at Amazon who keep reviewing my videos and rejecting them because it's firearms related, I'm using this toy gun. Sorry, I've got a tick in my eye right there. But let's hop right into the red dot sight review, shall we? Now let's go ahead and slap this thing onto our AR-15 right onto the included Picatinny rails, and you will see that it does actually slide right on. We're gonna put it right over the ejection port, and like so. And then we're gonna get the included Allen key, and it's just as simple as tightening it down. Tighten one down and then a little bit with the other, and just keep alternating back and forth just to make sure that there is a uniform, nice, tight, snug fit on that's uniform. Basically, you're not tightening one down more than the other. Kind of like you're tightening down lug nuts on a vehicle. All right, and that is pretty much it. It is installed just like that. Now, you could go out to the range. Obviously, I would recommend putting many hundreds of rounds through this, but if you're a cheapskate like me, and in our current economy, a nice cheap little way of zeroing this in, it may not be 100% perfect. However, if you have existing iron sights that are in fact zeroed in, you can just go ahead and pop that up, push the little switch on the side, and you can see immediately whether or not it lines up. And as a matter of fact, without any kind of adjustments, it lines up almost perfectly. I will have to adjust a bit of the windage on the side, and you will see that there is an up, there is a right, and simply adjust it according to that. Obviously, if you are in law enforcement or if you're on the SWAT team, you can probably afford to get a $500 red dot out there. But for the vast majority of people, or maybe you're just looking to slap something on your airsoft gun, I'm not going to shame you or anything. Go ahead and grab something like this. It's a lot of fun to shoot. Personally, I like the Starburst actual reticle. It really draws the eye. Be sure to not have it too bright, or else then it almost might be too distracting. You just kind of want it to be an aside when you're out shooting. You don't actually want to be focused on the reticle. You want to be focused on what's in front of the gun, obviously. So there you go. Quick little demonstration of this. I don't even know how it's pronounced. Feyachi. I just don't know. But it works, and there's a reason why there's such good ratings on this thing on Amazon.com. And if it works for me, it might even work for you. Hope this helps.